Now to put the movement together, the whole ideal here is try to get a nut started. And once you get a nut started, you work your way around the clock. I start off with the great wheels, trying to put the nuts on the great wheels. There, that one's snapped into place. You don't want to tighten them down, you just want to get them on there. And then pick a side, whether it's time side or chime side, and work your way up. They have a tool to maneuver the pivots that you could purchase, or you could make something like I made. It has both a notch on top and a notch on the side. That way you can maneuver a pivot by pushing it up or pushing it to the side. So that's what I'm going to try to attempt now. Starting on the great wheel, and then working my way around. Time 2. If you put too much pressure on the plates, you won't be able to push these wheels into place. Because I made the bushings flat on the inside, I didn't think that I deformed them, but the minute wheel arbor is not going into the hole where it needs to go. So I think I need to take it back apart and fix that. Check to see if the minute wheel arbor is going into the hole. So rookie mistake. I didn't think I messed it up, but apparently I did. So I need to check it. So we'll get back to you whenever I got this movement together. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.